Hello. Yes, good morning everyone. I hope you're having a good morning. So we've come to the second day of the week. This is 16th of June. Let's see what we have for that. So we'll start off with the pair on our screen. This is USDJPY, and so far, as you can see, this symbol is consolidating. There is no clear direction. We have price move up from this point. This was last week. There was that big move, and then there was this retracement, then there was a move up, and then there was this move. So basically what should happen now is for the price may likely continue up within the shape which is currently forming. This is what could happen. We may see price continue consolidate within this range. So we had a resistance here, we had a support, a resistance, a resistance, a support. The price needs to bounce off from this point, head straight to the upper side, where if it goes above, we'll wait for retracement, and then we continue up. And if price breaks below, we'll wait for retracement, and then we continue down up to this point. So we have this level here as a good buy place. We also have this level as a good buy place, and in case the price gets to the lower one, 107.026, then these two will be a very good place we want to buy from. The next symbol is Euro USD. So USD, so far we've not seen price make any significant moves since earlier this week, apart from the upward momentum which you saw this one, but we are overall still within some range. We have this as the highest high, and then we have this as the lowest low. So as long as the price remains within this range, we'll sell from 1.13889 and wait and buy from 1.12335. So we'll sell from the top and buy from the bottom, sell from the top and buy from the bottom. And in case the price breaks any of these levels, like if it breaks above the up one, then that will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. And if it breaks below the low one, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. This is going to be a very good place where we want to look for a sell from. So the next symbol we'll look at GBP USD. GBP also, there's no significant move apart from the move which you saw yesterday, this upward move, but then we are still below a very good level. So something like this is the zone where we are looking for a sell from. As long as the price is held below it, it means we are looking for a sell. So on this chart we have these levels. Focus on this line for a sell. If you sell it there successfully, expect price to move down up to 1.20899, and if it breaks below this point, expect it to go below 1.14681. and in case the price breaks above 1.27537, then expect a continuation to the upper side. We do have a line which looks like a good trend line. This one, actually it's a good one. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance. Then we are waiting for a resistance to happen when the price gets back. So in case the price moves up and touches this line at the top, that trend line, then this will be a good place we want to sell from. That one. So we'll move forward to our next symbol, Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far the price has been upwards, the price keeps moving to the upper side, and that is perfectly in line with what we said previously. We did expect price to continue up after when the price price went below this support by this candle and then it came back and closed above, then this next candle was actually an inside candle. This is a very good indication that we are continuing upward. So we are holding on to the buy position we took previously. We are still holding on. We expect price to continue up to this point. Basically the price needs to fill this gap properly. That is, it should come up and possibly break above, retrace back, and then continue up to this resistance. So this is the buy place and this is another buy place. So basically if the price can come back to the lower side, then wait for it within this range. Wait for it within this range. So the next symbol we look at is SP500. This one closed as a buy yesterday. It closed as a very good buy candle, and this is still the zone where we want to maintain a buy from. So should the price try pulling back up to the zone which I've just drawn, because it was a resistance previously, a resistance, there was a break, it was used as a support yesterday, which means if the price comes back to it, then that should be the best place we want to pick a buy from. So as it is now, this is still a buy. If you can see a buy on a lesser time frame, that is on the daily or 4 hours or maybe 1 hour, pick that position and have your take profit at 32,233.5. That's at along this resistance. The other place the price may pull back up to is this one. We have a resistance, and then we have this as a resistance. So the price may pull back down before it continue up. So we'll move forward to our next symbol. We look at gold. Gold is still consolidating. This is in line with what we said yesterday. We are waiting for either a break beyond the zone so that we can pick a trade, or we're waiting for a sell, a reversal from any of these red lines. So should the price bounce off from the up one, we look for a sell. If the price bounce off from the lower one, we look for a buy. And in case the price breaks any of this level, that is, if it breaks to the top 1747.66, then that will give us a good place to look for a buy from. And in case it breaks below, that is 1679.893, then that will give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's webinar. I will meet again tomorrow at the center. So thank you. See you.